Yeah.
Alright, it's recording. Alright, this ain't gonna be good. Hold on, can I zoom in on you? Oh yeah.
I can't hear you, you gotta yell.
Can I zoom in?
No.
Alright.
We're showing gun and shooting away. Ready?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Holy shit.
Oh my god. Shoot it again. Shoot it again. I did. Oh my god.
I didn't expect that.
I did.
What, you seen it happen before? Or?
No, I didn't think it'd go that long, but
That was pretty sweet.
oh look at I made a huge mess. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. You're getting kicked out of this.
Oh,
damn.
well, here you go. We'll go up and get up.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm recording up front.
Oh, it's just a baking soda.
We're like
Dry chemical.
I'm probably gonna get cancer or something. Where are we
Oh, it's just dry chemical.
Oh yeah.
Where'd it go in at?
Right there. It didn't
Where?
go through.
It didn't go through, are you sure?
Yeah, I don't think it did.
Really?
Well, I like taste it.
Well, big deal.
Not a big deal, it's just cancer.
I'm gonna die anyway.
Oh, I did quit doing that. Oh, it's all over my phone too.
Yeah, man, it didn't go through.
That's insane.
What kind of cheap shit you using?
Man.
Oh, hell no.
Oh boy. Alright, I gotta put that here. Pull out of that. I can't shoot with this thing in my hand here. Careful, big girl.